Alright, so today I'm gonna be working on my snowboard because I broke it. Look at it. Peeling. So this is what I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna mask it off because I don't want it to be such a dirty cleanup. I got a bunch of these clamps. I think I got 6 of these clamps from Harbor Freighty. Got this bag, so I'm gonna set it up there. Try to make it as clean as possible because it's in my parents' fireplace. Because I don't want to do it in the garage. It's too cramped in there. Mom's jacking my table. Jacking my table. And this is my brother's snowboard. I'm gonna use it as a clamping, like a, what is it called? Like a mold. He wasn't happy about that because he gotta take his bindings off, but it's okay. He can figure it out. He's a smart boy.
I'm here for more support.
Yes. I'm also gonna sand it with 80 grit. So this epoxy that I got, some marine epoxy.
You wanna go to this my room?
Okay, I guess we're moving it to the room. Yes. Okay, we moved this party to the room. Got my new setup. Oh, we gotta put the yeah.
Plastic on?
I already covered. I was
just here for more support. Now you're making me work.
Board. It's a Burton process. Brand new too. Started peeling. Pretty sure it's covered under warranty, but I have to spend $60 to send it in and get it looked at. Maybe it's warranty, but I don't want them to say, like, because I guess under their warranty thing, when I was filling it out, it says if it's not under warranty and they have to fix it, they're gonna have to charge me anyways. So I have to pay $60 to send it, or I can spend $20 on clamps and tape and another $10 for, it's like $11 for this glue. See how I do. So not even, or half the price of just sending it out. Maybe, like I said, maybe it was covered under warranty, but just in case, if it's not, I'm gonna do it. I already have the board here with me. Supposedly it only takes 24 hours for it to cure, so let's give it a try. All right, got the tripod, got a good angle. I can see what we're doing. So got the sanding paper, got the rubbing alcohol, and a microfiber cloth to clean off any kind of like residue, I guess, in there. So I was just roughing it up, trying to make sure I get the edges pretty good. First time ever doing this ever, so I hope if you guys are trying to attempt this, hope it comes out better than mine. Alrighty, mix the epoxy. So again, I'm using the Loctite epoxy marine, supposedly setting 2 hours, but I'm gonna let it cure for 24 hours just to be sure. First time ever, like I said, so this is just for entertainment purposes, because I know I'm gonna fuck this up. It didn't come with a stick, so I'm making my own stick. So I can mix it. I'm gonna use use this arcade card that my brother gave me to spread it generously in there. So that's what I'll do. If I need more glue, I bought another pack of this, so it's gonna get sticky. Alright, need to mix more. I might have put both of them, like you said.
Huh?
I put both of them, like you said.
I told you. Yeah, that looks like a lot, but
Looks like a shit ton, huh?
yeah, that's alright though. Hopefully it just doesn't come off anymore.
Yeah. That way you can kind of get the shape of it.
Alright, I goofed on this one because I just clamped the outside and not the inside, so it puddled up, which is... It made a hump, so it was all messed up. So, the epoxy worked really good, so it's not coming apart, but hopefully in the future, I can somehow figure out how to get it, like, apart, so I can re-glue it and clamp it better. But this was my first time, so I didn't really know what I was doing. But I didn't like exactly how it turned out, so hopefully I can fix that and correct that. So hopefully you guys can clamp it better than I did. I just did the edges. Yeah, there's got to be a better way, so I'll see if I can figure that out.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna let it set for 24 hours. 8 hours, I'll check on it. But it's supposed to set for the whole 24 hours. I used a shit ton of glue. A lot, like way too much glue. So I'm gonna clean it up so I don't get in trouble. So this is what it looks like when you use way too much glue. But hopefully it's just enough glue to keep this from peeling.
Okay.
So I'll come back in 24 hours.
I don't know.
So we are 24 hours later. I thought it was still wet, but it's not. So it looked like it didn't dry first glance, and then I was just like, no. This thing is super freaking... It's just... That thing is dry, so I'm gonna take it apart. There we go. Get you guys set up. Take the clamps off after 24 hours of drying. I'm aboard. It's red. Oh, look at that. Your board did stick to it.
Did it?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah. How though? No, I don't put no glue on that thing. We have a casualty, everybody. Got a little speck of something on there. Okay. Let's see if the masking job that I did held up. Should have masked your board. No, you didn't want me to. It wasn't gonna seep through. I remember specifically, yeah, bro, I'm gonna mask it too so it doesn't get through. It'll be solid. The cardboard is not gonna let it go through. Little did I know. it's stuck together, so that's all that matters.
Bye, Daddy.
Yo.
Alright, so this is what it looks like after it's stuck together. I did not do a great job bonding it. It's got a couple lumps here, but I'm hoping it doesn't peel back. So for $30, I'm not complaining. It's not going to be flapping around collecting snow. So I highly recommend having someone professionally do it, but it'll do. I just need it from not peeling. So I definitely did not spend $1,000 on this board, but it's a nice little board. It started peeling, so I hope it doesn't peel anymore because it's a very difficult thing to do. So I recommend having a professional do it. But if not, if you're handy and you know what you're doing, and you got the stuff and everything, so why not? Just for giggles. So enjoy.